Hello everyone, welcome to Enzamam Study Hub. Today I will discuss how English language has become an established language over the world. That means how English language has entered in every individual's life, in every place, irrespective of race, color, continent, country, city, village. We have read histories of many languages and English is one of them, and how this language has become an established language over the world I will discuss in some points. First of all, origin of English. English is a West Germanic language. It is named after the Angles, one of the Germanic tribes, and that migrated to the area of Great Britain. Secondly, English has been being developed over the centuries. English has been being developed over the centuries, and the developments took place before 11th century are collectively called as Old English period, and the Middle English period began in the late 11th century, and the early modern English period was started in the late 15th century, and the modern English period has been spreading around the world since 17th century. English has become a leading language of international discourse and professional context such as science, navigation and law. Thirdly, the expansion of British Empire. In about 17th century, numerous English speakers migrated to England, Scotland, Ireland, North America, Australia, New Zealand, etc. Fourth one, emergence of the United States of America. In about 18th and 19th century, they expanded their colonization in Africa and Asia, and that leads to the development English as a second language of variety of countries, and the new form of English were Indian English, Napoleon English, etc. Fifth one, English is the largest language by the number of speakers and the third most spoken native language in the world. English is the majority language of United States, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand and the Republic of Ireland. It is widely spoken in some areas of Caribbean, Africa and South Asia. English is the co-official language of United Nations, European Union and many other national and international organizations. Sixth one, English can be considered as a mixed and rich language. Many English words have been abstracted from other languages like Latin, Dutch, Spanish, Roman, etc. New word of English can be formed from its existing words or their roots. Through a variety of grammatical process, the same word can be used as a verb as well as a noun. The vocabulary of English contains more synonyms as compared to other languages. It is generally stated that English has up to 2,20,000 words based on the last full edition of Oxford Dictionary 1989. So English is a rich language in terms of simplicity, flexibility and vocabulary. So these are the main factors behind the establishment of English language over the world. Lastly, I would like to inform that I am going to start a spoken English course in two different languages, from Assamese to English and from English to English. So the first class will be started from the next topic. Thank you and have a great time.